Hey, what's up everybody? Jonathan Weinmann here, and in this video, I'll be going over how to pair and calibrate your drums and cymbals to the DWe Control app. Let's get started. On the top left side, you'll see the pair button. It puts the DWe Control app into pairing mode. This is going to let you connect the drums and cymbals by simply hitting them. You'll have 15 seconds before the pairing function shuts off, so if you miss pairing a drum or cymbal, just go ahead and repeat the process. Now that we paired our drums and cymbals, let's move on to calibration. Calibrating is done to optimize the triggers for best performance. We'll only need to do this when initially setting up the kit or if we change the drum head tension. First, make sure the auto track is enabled. Then when you hit a drum, it'll automatically be selected. Let's start with the snare drum. In the selected pad window, you'll see a Calibrate Drum button underneath the Edit button. Go ahead and press the Calibrate Drum button. You'll notice a sync indicator appears on the drum. You just need to hit the rim of the selected drum and the sync button will disappear. Now that we've calibrated the snare, let's move on to the toms. And now the floor tom. Now that we've got our drums all dialed in, let's move to cymbals. When we were calibrating the drums, we would strike the rim, but now moving to cymbals, you're going to strike the bow. You'll notice as you select the ride cymbal that you've got the Calibrate Bow button. Let's select that. Strike the bow. Ride's done. Let's move to crash. So after calibrating the ride and crash cymbals, it's time to move on to the hi-hat. We're going to go ahead and select the hi-hat and calibrate the bow just like we did on the other cymbals. The hi-hat has one additional step. Underneath Calibrate Bow, you'll see Calibrate Pedal. Go ahead and select that. And you'll want to go ahead and make sure that your hi-hat is all the way open. You're going to then do a bow strike with the hi-hat fully open. Once you've done your open strike, go ahead and drop the clutch down to where the cymbals are resting on each other and do one more strike with the cymbals closed. The sync indicator will disappear and that shows you that the hi-hat is now calibrated. Go ahead and return your clutch to your desired playing height. Well, this wraps up pairing and calibrating the kit in DWe Control. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.